vertical machining centres. There's a lot of them in the market. How many of them have big plus spindles? How many of them are capable of cutting harder materials dry? How many of them can boast a history like Colchester Machine Tool Solutions, a name synonymous with quality and longevity? This is one of the new additions to their machine tool range. This is a Storm 1050, which boasts an 1150 table by 1150 by 500 table. You can get a whopping 700 kilograms on that table, would you believe? And as standard, this machine here, which is available from stock, has a 12,000 RPM spindle. It's got a 24 station tool changer on this machine, and that big plus spindle does mean that you can machine harder materials very, very effectively and efficiently. Now, there are options on the controls on this machine, but this particular model has the Fanuc OI MF. It's a well-balanced and high production machine, and as I said earlier, when you've got a name like Colchester Machine Tools behind you, you can be assured that you're getting a machine, as you would expect, of high quality. Comes also with a warranty, installation and training available from stock. Contact the guys here at Colchester Machine Tools to find out more about this model.